Looking for an exciting career with stability, excellent benefits, and advancement opportunities? Then join Travis County in our Public Works Division and be part of an awesome team. The road maintenance worker repairs and maintains existing roads. Tasks include pothole patching, as well as drainage work, grass mowing, and brush and debris removal from right-of-way areas. Duties also include temporary traffic control to ensure the safety of other crew members. This is an entry-level position, but there are plenty of opportunities for advancement. The road maintenance worker may operate some light equipment with the opportunity for advancement to positions such as Equipment Operator 1. Road maintenance workers are required to have a commercial driver's license, or CDL. But don't worry, if you have a CDL permit, we'll help you get your CDL on the job. Minimum qualifications include 1 year of road construction and maintenance experience, or a combination of education and experience that satisfies the job requirements, valid Texas driver's license, and a valid Texas CDL, or a CDL permit. Remember, we'll help you get your CDL. This job is physically demanding. You must have the ability to lift and carry up to 50 pounds. There's walking, bending, stooping, crouching, kneeling, pulling, pushing, driving, and so on. Work is done in extreme temperatures and in all kinds of conditions. It's a tough job, but there are rewards. Let's talk about Travis County's pay and outstanding benefits. Starting pay range for this position is $16 to $17.81 per hour, depending on experience. Paychecks are issued twice a month, first at the middle of the month, then at the end of the month. Direct deposit is also available. You will earn 4 hours of vacation and 4 hours of sick leave every pay period, beginning with your first paycheck. Travis County provides 12 paid holidays each year, including Thanksgiving, the day after Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, and Christmas Day. You are eligible for a retirement plan and are fully vested after working 8 full years. You contribute 7%, and Travis County contributes more than double, or 15.75%, into your account. Additionally, you can invest in a 457B deferred compensation plan to help your retirement grow even more. Travis County offers 3 different medical insurance plans: dental insurance, vision insurance, life insurance, and short and long-term disability insurance, all through payroll deduction for you and your eligible dependents. After you've been employed for 3 full years, you are eligible for longevity pay, which continues to grow the longer you're employed with Travis County. Uniforms and laundry service are provided for road maintenance employees, and Travis County reimburses the cost of steel-toed boots after the first 3 months. So what are you waiting for? Come work for Travis County and be part of the team.